Hello, foodies! Welcome back to Deliciously Desi Delights, the channel where we explore the rich tapestry of Indian cuisine. Today, we have a treat in store for you. The delectable, mouth-watering Paneer Tikka. But that's not all. We'll also be uncovering some lesser-known facts about this beloved dish. So, if you're ready to tantalize your taste buds and expand your culinary knowledge, stay tuned. Paneer Tikka, as we know it today, is a beloved North Indian dish, but its history is quite intriguing. It dates back to the Mughal era, where it was prepared in traditional clay ovens known as tandoors. These tandoors were an essential part of Mughal cuisine, and the concept of skewering marinated paneer and cooking it to perfection was born. The marination process is crucial for that authentic Paneer Tikka flavor. Yogurt, spices like red chili, coriander, cumin, and garam masala come together to create the perfect balance of flavors. And the smoky aroma from the tandoor adds a unique touch. Did you know that Paneer Tikka comes in various regional and fusion variations? It's not just limited to the classic version. We have the Punjabi Paneer Tikka, which is robust and spicy, the Malai Paneer Tikka, which is creamy and mild, and even a fusion favorite, the Mexican Paneer Tikka with flavors like jalapenos and cheese. The versatility of Paneer Tikka allows you to experiment and create your signature version. While enjoying Paneer Tikka, have you ever wondered about its nutritional value? Paneer, the star of this dish, is a protein powerhouse. It's an excellent source of high-quality protein, calcium, and essential vitamins. So, not only is Paneer Tikka delicious, but it's also a nutritious choice for vegetarians. Paneer Tikka isn't just food. It's a cultural symbol in India. It's often associated with celebrations, festivals, and special occasions. Whether it's a wedding, a family gathering, or a festival, you'll often find Paneer Tikka on the menu, making it an integral part of Indian celebrations. Now, let's talk about the main ingredient, paneer. To make the perfect Paneer Tikka, you need high-quality paneer. The key lies in using fresh milk and the right acid, like lemon juice or vinegar, to curdle it. Ever wondered why marination is essential in Paneer Tikka? Well, it's not just about flavor, there's science behind it. The yogurt in the marinade not only adds a creamy texture but also helps tenderize the paneer. The spices not only impart flavor but also act as natural preservatives. The longer you marinate, the better the flavor penetration. Grilling paneer is an art, and it requires finesse to achieve that perfect smoky flavor and charred texture. But if you don't have one, worry not. You can still achieve great results on a grill or in your oven. The magic of Paneer Tikka doesn't stop at the cooking. It's all about presentation too. Fresh coriander, lemon wedges, and a drizzle of mint chutney add the perfect finishing touches, enhancing both the visual appeal and flavor. Paneer Tikka has transcended borders and is now a global sensation. From London to Los Angeles, you can find Paneer Tikka on the menu at various international restaurants, often with a local twist. For those looking for healthier alternatives, there are options too. You can make Paneer Tikka with less oil, low-fat yogurt, and even experiment with air frying. It's all about making Paneer Tikka fit your dietary preferences without compromising on taste. Paneer Tikka isn't just a standalone dish. It's also a perfect companion to other Indian delicacies. Pair it with some buttery naan or fragrant pulao, and you'll experience a symphony of flavors that'll leave your taste buds dancing. Experiment with different combinations to discover your favorite pairing. Paneer Tikka can be adapted to suit various dietary needs. For our vegan friends, tofu can replace paneer, and non-dairy yogurt can be used in the marinade. It's a versatile dish that accommodates different dietary preferences. The challenges showcase the creativity and culinary skills of chefs from around the world. If you're in India, you'll find Paneer Tikka being served at street food stalls alongside other delightful snacks like chaat, pakoras, and samosas. It's a testament to the popularity and accessibility of this dish. In many Indian households, preparing Paneer Tikka has become a cherished tradition. Families come together to marinate, grill, and enjoy this delicious dish, creating lasting memories. Now that we've explored the history and various facets of Paneer Tikka, let's get hands-on and dive into the cooking process. I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step procedure to make mouth-watering paneer tikka at home. First, let's prepare the marination. In a bowl, add the yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, salt, vegetable oil, and lemon juice. Now, take your paneer cubes and gently coat them with this marination. Make sure each piece is well covered, and then let them sit in this marination for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Once marinated, it's time to skewer the paneer. Thread the marinated paneer cubes onto the soaked wooden skewers. If you have a tandoor, that's perfect. But if not, you can use a grill pan or an oven. Preheat your grill or oven to a high temperature, around 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease the grates lightly with some oil, and then place your paneer skewers on the grill or in the oven. Grill them for about 15-20 minutes, turning them occasionally until they're charred and cooked to perfection. And there you have it, folks, the tantalizing paneer tikka, and ready to be served. Now, it's time for the best part, tasting the paneer tikka. The smoky flavors and the creamy marination blend perfectly with the succulent paneer. It's an explosion of taste in every bite. I hope you enjoyed this cooking segment and that you'll try making paneer tikka at home. I hope you've enjoyed this journey through the world of paneer tikka and discovered some unknown facts about this beloved Indian dish. If you found this video informative and mouth-watering, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe for more delectable culinary adventures.